Do you speak English?
Did you get out of bed?
I'm getting out of bed.
Daddy is still asleep. Can you wake Daddy up?
Sure, I can. Mommy, I'm ready. What we going to do?
Today we are doing our spring cleaning. We thoroughly clean the whole house. We throw away things that we don't need. Also clean all of the rooms and wash all of the windows. Let's start from the basement.
Wow! That's a lot to do. Mom, I couldn't be able to lift.
Tina, don't lift heavy items. I'll take care. Do some cleaning work. Let me sort or put away in a neat and tidy manner. I'm looking for a broom to sweep the floor.
Here it is. Let me mop up the floor, Mommy.
Pick the dust up and put it in the dustbin.
Where is the brush and dustpan are?
It is there in the cupboard. After you clean up the kitchen, you can take your break.
Kitchen is little mess.
Let me pull the table and keep it on other side.
We should indeed do some cleaning.
First, we'll vacuum and then mop the floor.
What a dump! Especially this side of the glass is filthy.
We oftenly use the oven, that's why. Now deep clean the refrigerator.
Mommy, baked on grime is stubborn.
You'll have to scrub with a sponge to remove burnt on dirt. I'm going to wash up the plate, then rinse. Please dry the dishes fully before you put them away in the cupboards.
Okay, Mommy.
Now, take a damp cloth to remove all the crumbs and scraps of food.
The dishwasher smells bad.
Let me take out all the vessels first. Then add 1 cup of white vinegar. Place it on the empty dishwasher. Set the dishwasher to run on a hot water cycle.
Wow, Mommy. The sink was clean as a whistle after you scrubbed it. It's quite hard work, this housework.
I'm just going to have a cup of tea.
Mommy, look at there. How to keep away from cobwebs and mold.
Cleaning regularly and minimizing moisture. Good hygiene is preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Let's go to your bedroom. It looks like a tornado just ripped through it.
Sorry. Mommy, could you teach me how to clean the room fast?
After getting out of bed, make the bed every day. Put books back on shelf. Put your toys in toy box after use. Keep the trash near the door, I'll put it in garage. Look at all this mess. You have to clean up this room.
Mom, I'm busy right now. I will do it later.
I'm afraid you'll have to do it now.
I'll do it.
Pick up all this stuff and put everything back to its place. After that, please dust the shelves, it's very dirty.
Alright, Mom. Give me some time. Mom, now the room is clean and tidy.
Now going to clean the toilet.
Mommy, how long does it take to clean an attic?
No need to clean, it's tidy only.
Then what are you doing?
Just spraying antibacterial sanitizer.
Everything is clean, Mom.
Yes, thanks for all your help, sweetheart. Now I'm going to do the laundry.
Mom, do you need any help to hang it out to dry?
No, thank you, you have done enough for today. Let me sweep the driveway. Take the rubbish out and put it in garbage bin.
Everything is clean and organized.
Yes, thanks for all your help, sweetheart. We should get some rest. We've worked so hard today.